What's up, guys? Mike here with Restomod Air. I want to talk about the 1955 to 59 Chevy Truck exact fit controller. So this is a full machined CNC billet aluminum controller with a chrome finish. Simple bolt-in construction, bolts right into the factory location, and then obviously connects to any of our AC systems, from the Haymaker, the Phantom, the Vapor, the Cyclone, any of those guys. Simple controllability, billet knobs as well. I mean, this thing's pretty badass, to be honest with you. So you have your fan speed here, your mode, so your dash, your defrost, and your floor, along with your temp control on this side, everything from cold all the way to hot. So you need to pick up this bad boy. If you don't have a 55 to 59 Chevy Truck, you need to get one so you can get one of these. All right, guys, take it easy.